What about this course was most helpful for you today?
I think having to move and shoot under cover, shoot from concealment.
Most church security folks, or a lot of them anyway, they'll get the enhanced carry, which is a requirement for being on the church security team, and then they'll kind of leave it at that. But really, you need a lot more than that. You need more training than that. So that's kind of what this course is geared towards.
Today, we actually had movement and the added competition, plus Kevin asking questions, having reloads, having staged misfires, if you will. It added an element of realism that you're not going to get just going and drilling holes in paper.